What's up, ladies and gentlemen, everyone between Hooker here, and today is a very special day that I thought would never come. Okay, so I have a bunch of old stuff from my dad that I've never used, and today I have a reason to use it. I have this Nelson metal rain shower. This thing is fucking old. I've never even moved this box. I have no idea what's even behind this box. Now, why am I making this video? Because first of all, this thing is old as shit, and my neighbor just got new sod. So I was like, yo, I have one of those because she needs to use it. So this is the back of the box looks like. But let's what you came here for. Wow, it still has its plastic on. Look at that. It still has the plastic on the thing. So it's super old, but it's beautiful. It's never been used. It's made by Nelson. Cool. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like working. Let's take it over to my neighbors and utilize it. All right, guys. So this is the one that we are changing out for the Nelson one. So the reason we're changing it out is because we have such little coverage. Like, it only covers this space from here to here. So essentially right here. Let's see if the Nelson one will take care of the whole thing. I'm really curious to see. As you are, I am sure. First thing to do is turn that one off and hook that one up. So I hooked it up, and I noticed that just the fitting alone going onto the hose was so smooth. Again, this thing is really super old, so the fact that it was that smooth just shows how good of a quality it is. So really excited to turn it on. I'm gonna put it right here because I believe that's where probably be the best coverage. And yeah, I have it on full. I guess I can do it on just right, but I am gonna do it on full so it goes on both sides. Hopefully it, doesn't explode in my face. Oh, holy shit. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this thing is like spraying the freaking world. Yeah, like holy shit. It's freaking... Yeah, they don't make them like that anymore. Jesus. And it still works. Yeah, that's working really well. Yeah, you think? Cool, guys. So that works amazingly, and like I said, that thing hasn't it's never been turned on. I can move it further down actually. And wow. Talk about quality. That's literally getting everything. That's incredible. So for the Nelson sprinkler thing, I definitely give it a double thumbs up. It's doing the job. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely slap that like button down below. Comment if you have any questions. I don't know where you can find these, probably the internet. Yeah, leave a like. And subscribe to my channel, guys. It helps my channel out. You don't have to watch any of my videos, but subscribe. Later, y'all. This is Hooker signing out.